Good evening. My name is Manmeet Banerjee. I'm from the Prague batch. Today I'm presenting my capstone project, Relational Database. It's for the module 3. The platform I have selected is an e-commerce platform, Myntra. The goal of this presentation is to analyze Myntra and give a proper case study on the topic, the product dissection for Myntra. Here we will see how Myntra is different from other platform, the company overview, what extra Myntra provide. Then we will try to model a proper case study over Myntra. After that, we will design a schema, a proper schema for the Myntra where I have designed it already. We'll explain that, the relationship between them and the ER diagram for it and finalize it with the conclusion. So let's get started. First, what is Myntra? The introduction about Myntra. So the Myntra, which is started in 2007 and acquired by Flipkart at 2014, it's a leading Indian fashion e-commerce platform. It's based in Bangalore. Its headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka. And basically, it's revolutionized the online shopping experiences, mainly by addressing the real world challenges and providing practical solutions. In this presentation, we will delve into the key features and innovations that has made Myntra a trailblazer in this fashion industry. Now, what is the key features and what is unique about Myntra? First, there is something which is called a Myntra Studio. Myntra Studio is basically their socialized platform where you can follow different trends. Their influencers are there, which shows different trends. And Myntra Studio provides a augmented reality and a AI based uh, AI based avatar to try your own avatar to try the fashion on, to put on the dress and see how it looks on you. Second, M Live. M Live is a live streaming feature, a podcast feature in Myntra where fashion influencers uh, uh, live stream their content. What are they wearing? What is in the fashion? And the third one is a style squad. Style squad are basically influencer, a category specific creator squad that engages with the community, that interacts with the consumers, that has a community feeling. So basically, Myntra also provide a social media platform also other than a complete e-commerce structure, and it is included in their app only. So you can see there are different options where you can find different features. They have a separate plus size options also, which I find interesting because most of them don't have a separate plus size option. Plus there are trend separate option trends, which gives you what is trending right now. uh, there's a store option which categorizes the whole app into three different stores, which is trending, what is the actual store, and there is a luxury option also where you can find only luxury product. So enough about the application. Now get down about the insight of Myntra. So as I found out from different websites that Myntra catalog size is huge, and in last year it has grown 50%. They have over 400 international brands and 6,000 plus fashion and lifestyle label listed on them. As you can see, at on March 2023, the total revenue, the annual revenue was 562 million. These are the sources where I found out this info. And this is interesting as we can see the website traffic on the website traffic engagement, approximately 56.99. That is almost 57% traffic is from the males and 43% is from the females. That is quite interesting because fashion is mainly a female domain. But interestingly, into 2024, I think males are also uh, more into the fashion. So as we move forward, Myntra was incepted in 2007, and in 2014 it was acquired by Flipkart. It was a 2,000 crore plus deal. The main feature or the strategic initiative that Myntra undertook, it's called Pagathal Commerce. It's mainly physical plus digital influence. As we were talking about Myntra Studio, they harness the artificial intelligence technology, the machine learning technology. The platform they work on is called React Native, where you can have all three features. You have an e-commerce, you can live stream, you can have a community features also. So React Native is the platform on which the Myntra app is built. Now let's get to the main feature, the product dissection, for which this presentation is about. See, what I've found out that Myntra's success is to understand is the ability to understand and cater to the unique preference of the users. And as we talked about Myntra Studio feature provides like personalized product recommendation and curated collection that resonates with each individual styles. Through AI and machine learning, by empowering this, they are able to understand the client in much deeper way, the customer in a much deeper way, and provide suggestions that are more aligned with the consumer's mindset. Uh, like this streamlines the shopping process, right? Like there is a fatigue. A consumer is empowered to discover this fashion, and which truly reflects their personal taste. And the second thing is the community engagement and social interaction. See, Mintra basically, I think, goes beyond the e-commerce transaction, and they foster a vibrant community of fashion enthusiasts. Like the M Live option, the streaming platform where the influencers or the client, the consumers, basically go live and show their fashion. There's a separate category, style squads, where different influencers are engaged in the community activity. They suggest, they interact with the people. So, like this, Mintra has created where a user can share their passion for fashion, seek advice, and build a meaningful relationship with each other. Now, let's get on to the real world problems that Mintra's innovative solutions for it. So, first, Mintra is revolutionizing the fashions and e-commerce industry. As I understood, this is a fast-paced world. The fashion is also changing in a very fast. I think every day there is something new every day, and online platform has to cater endless number of consumer with different style and requirement. And I think Myntra is offering a seamless and impressive experience to cater this diverse need and preferences to this modern consumers. Second, the main feature, the Myntra Studio option, which gives a personalized recommendation and curated collection. The main real world problem is the decision making. That is more or less solved, or this is the real world problem that is more or less solved by Myntra by providing much more proper suggestion using of artificial intelligence and machine learning to understand the client and give them suggestion to make a proper decision in a speedy way. Third, it's the community engagement and social interaction. We tend to uh, have a what we can see. We tend to have a mindset where we need approval. So what fashion we wear for the other person, for the people who is seeing us, right? As they say that beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. So with this community engagement, with this social interaction, people tend to interact with fashionistas, with influencers who understand fashion, whose passion is this. And with this M Live option, with this style squad option, people interact with them and understand what fashion style they need to follow. That helps the consumer to make proper decision and increase the sell of the platform, basically. So that is one problem. And Mintra celebrates diversity and inclusivity. Everyone has a different body type. They are all from different background. Mintra caters everyone. Size, style, cultural influence, ages, body type, everything. Plus, as I depth into the world of Myntra and understand many things, I think they are shaping the future of fashion retails by engaging this AI, artificial intelligence, by engaging machine learning, by engaging augmented reality. And mainly, I'm very much impressed by the community feature, by the style squad, by the live option, by social media influencing. So, by providing all of this in one app, they are definitely getting ready for the future. Now, let's get into the schema. So, I have tried to understand and design a schema for the platform where I find that these are the main table that should be included. There should be a one user entity, a user table, a products table, cart, order, and review. Now, the user entity is the core Myntra platform. It contains the user information where user ID should be a primary key, a username, email, full name, gender, registration date, the date they joined in the Myntra app. Then the product table, product entity, where the product ID is the primary key, the unique identifier of the product, the product name, brand, category, description, price, discount, and availability. These are the different columns under the product table. Cart table, where there is cart ID, user ID taken from the user table, product ID from the product table, quantity and total price. order entity, where order ID is the primary key, user ID is the foreign key. There's order date, status, payment method, and the total amount for the cart. And these are the review features, where we have a review ID, which is a primary key, which is connected to the user ID, the product ID, rating, comment, and review. And the relationship, uh, I have defined the relationship. Users and the product cart. Each user can add multiple product to their cart, and each product can be added to multiple carts. A user can place multiple orders, and each order is associated with a single user. Products and reviews. Each product can have multiple reviews. Each review is associated with a single products. And order. Each order can contain multiple products, and each product can be part of the multiple orders. So this is a relationship. These are relationships that I've already defined. So as per the requirement, other entities or as per the functionality, additional entity can also be included in the schema. Now I have made the ER diagram using PG admin of Postgres. I have uploaded the schema in the Postgres, or I have created the table in Postgres upload according to the schema, and this ER diagram is made through that. So as you can see clearly in this ER diagram, our 5 tables are there: users, products, carts, reviews, and order ID. As we have defined, the product ID for the product table is the primary key, which is used as a foreign key in the review table, in the cart table also, and in the order table also. Sorry, not in the order table. In the order table, we have user ID and order ID. So you can see clearly the orange one is the primary key, and the gray ones are the foreign key that we have used to make the connection, to make the relationship proper. And so, in conclusion, Myntra has a highly innovative and technologically advanced approach towards the e-commerce fashion industry, and they are engaging much more deeper into the customization of the customer needs and providing customized solution to the customer, which is actually needed in the fashion industry. Also, the need, also the understanding of the fashion, the connection with the passionate people, the connection with the influencers, it basically changing the digital landscape, what I can say, and shaping the future. So that's my case study, my product dissection on an online platform, an online e-commerce platform, Myntra. Thank you so much. Have a good night.